Lord. I can't come out of my lane now. Sorry for the bad word. I can't come out of my lane to I'm trap. The main road this a come off. The main road this a come off. The main road. The main road this a come off. 9 Mile Bridge overflow right now. The main road this a come over.
Oh, you're second on video, so now I'm making it. Why that me up here right now, Brent? Because this don't look good. I'm gone, Yeah, man. Where the whole of back over in the side. Yeah, that's why I look funny enough. And in the yard, that's the wall of the black line. See wall right there, so it's behind the wall.
No, sir. Oh, we are going yard.
I saw the water go run over our house.
It's not stop now, you know.
When water come through my house, the water come through Steve House too. Yeah, so it's going to go to labor.
What's in there? Just come on. Just come on.